you say?
I said, what's Mr. Vinegar? What's Mr. Vinegar? Take the kizzy right now.
It's a show that's really, really funny.
It's a show that's really, really funny. Did you think it was really good? Don't run around with that in your mouth, Abs. Abby. Stand there and sing it for me.
Vinegar.